In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in ClickUp. Folders, lists, tasks, and more. First, let's get clear on what a template is in ClickUp. Think of a template as a reusable model of your work. Instead of rebuilding the same structure over and over, you save it once and apply it anywhere in your workspace. Templates can capture everything from high-level spaces down to folders, lists, individual tasks, docs, and even views. Every template you create is stored in the Template Center, which acts as a shared library for your entire workspace. To open the Template Center, click the Templates icon in ClickUp. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top and type Templates. Then open the Template Center from the results. Once you're in, click your workspace name in the top left to filter and see only the custom templates your team has created. Next, decide what you want to save. ClickUp lets you template entire spaces, including their folders, lists, tasks, custom fields, statuses, and click apps, or you can template specific folders, lists, tasks, docs, or views. In this walkthrough, we'll save a space so the whole structure is ready to reuse. Hover over the space. You want to turn into a template. Click the three-dot ellipsis, choose Templates, and then select Save as Template. A window will pop up where you can fine-tune everything. Give your template a clear, action-oriented name so teammates immediately understand its purpose. Add a concise description with notes on when to use it and any setup steps they should follow. If you rely on tags for organization, add a few short, relevant tags so it's easy to find later. Now set who can use the template. In the Share With section, choose whether it's private to you, visible to everyone including guests, limited to workspace members, restricted to admins, or shared with specific people. If you want to make it available outside your organization, enable public sharing so others in different ClickUp workspaces can access it. When the template is saved, ClickUp generates a shareable link. Copy that link and drop it into your team's chat, project docs, or internal tools so people can quickly apply it in their own workspace. Before you finalize, review the import options. Deselect items like comments, attachments, assignees, or watchers if you don't want those to be cloned each time. This keeps your template clean and avoids accidental carryover of past details. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll find your template in the Template Center under the Workspace category. Anyone with access can open the Template Center, locate your template, click Use Template, and choose where to create it, whether that's a workspace, space, folder, or list. As a best practice, template the workflows you repeat most often, keep task names and fields generic and reusable, and revisit your templates periodically to keep them aligned with your current